Muy buenos días. Hoy es miércoles 14 de mayo y amaneció lloviendo. Aquí tengo a Lana y ahorita voy a ir por calabaza. Look at the fogginess out in the mountains. We had to go get the rain jacket and we had to go get pumpkin. Look at these flowers. Let's go. Muy buenos días. Miren, compré cafetera que estaba en clearance por $8, una mini. Vamos a abrir. Vamos a acabar mejor. Ven, frente. Acabo de bañar. Ya me peiné el copete. Miren. No sé si se pueda poner así, pero ya la puse. Miren. Está bien mini. Bien cute. Miren. Bien mini. Mira. Bien mini, de 5 tazas. Vamos a hacernos un cafecito calientito. Ayer fui y traje café de la Costco. El otro día que compramos eso, traje los filtros y compré creamer. Así que creo que ya está. Bueno, ya le puse el tiempo. Ahora, mira qué chiquito está. Vamos a poner el filtro. Mira, perfecto. Vamos a acomodarlo y echar el café. Vamos a destapar el café. Vamos a acomodar bien el filtro. Y echar. Vamos a echarle como unas 2 para que no estemos tan ansiosas. Maybe 2:30. Ahí está. Ahora vamos a echarle agua. Que se me olvidó que se le tiene que echar agua para tomarnos un calientito cafecito. Déjame le echo las 5 tazas de una vez. Así. Ahí está. Un poquito menos. Le cerramos. Brew now. Vamos a esperar. Mientras esperamos, voy a echarle Sweet and Low. Compré Sweet and Low en vez de Splenda porque estaba más barato. And you know me. Yo le voy a echar uno porque le voy a echar Zero Sugar Hazelnut. Y ya está el café. Ahí está. Cayendo el cafecito. Bien húmedo el vasito. Está el café. Aquí esperando ya. Levanté poquito para que no se mirara tan tirado. Ahí está. Nada más poquito. Le voy a echar poquita más agua porque parece que no le eché suficiente. Este está frío. Ahí está. ¿Ya nos haremos nuestra tacita de café o qué? Let me see if it stops. Fue todo el café. Uy, me parece que va a estar bien fuerte porque it smells strong. Echamos nuestro azúcar y shake it. Open it. Oh. Just a little bit. A ver. Que es un poquito más dulce. Creo que lo hice muy fuerte. Te voy a andar toda nerviosa. Le eché poquita agua para que estuviera un poquito watered down. Que parece que está fuerte. La pinche huevona de calabaza. Junto a la otra huevona de la lana. Hello everyone. It's that time of day. Time for my hot girl summer walk. I didn't bring my rain jacket, so hopefully it doesn't start raining. But I did bring my ball cap. Let's go. It's a little gloomy, overcasted, a little bit of sky, some blue. Let's go. Look at that. All the trees. Out on my hot girl summer walk, and I just casually seen a deer. Look at that, just in the middle of the neighborhood. On our evening walk. There's pumpkin. It's kind of chilly today. It's like a cold day. It was rainy this morning. I was gonna turn on the heater. Someone has their chimney on. Walking the girls on this gloomy day. It actually smells like winter out here. People got their chimneys on. They're coming. It's raining.
Probably the most rain we've seen since we've been here.
We're gonna go get water. It's cold.
Careful.
It's cold today. It's sturdy. Had to bring out the rain jacket. Rain is nice, but not when you're in it. And it's cold.
Tonight.
Would you look at that? It was raining. It was rain. Look at that. It's like drizzling. It's like rain, but like not heavy rain. Look at that church. We're going to Trader Joe's. What are we going to get at Trader Joe's?
Curry.
Yeah, we wanted Indian food, so we're going to go get it at Trader Joe's.
Even though we have a badass fucking authentic Indian food place right down here.
There's a lot of good Indian food places here, but
there's also a lot of Vietnamese places.
What do they have there? What kind of food they sell?
I've never had Vietnamese food.
Me neither. What kind of food do they make?
A lot of them. Never mind.
Look at it. You can't beat that. $3.99 for that. Everyone gets the... Which one do you get? That one. Chicken salmon. Good morning, everyone. It's Friday. And it's my sister's birthday. Happy birthday, Yessie. I hope you have an amazing, blessed day this day and every day. And I pray that God blesses you with many, many more years filled with love, blessings, happiness, health, wealth, everything. And with many more babies. And I'm out on my walk. We're out here walking this morning. This is where I saw the deer yesterday. I was standing right there and I was walking over there. It's gloomy and it's cold. You can see my breath when I'm talking. Have a great day, everyone. Hey y'all. Come with me to get ready as I go on my hot girl summer walk. I might run today though. We'll see. Let's see. It's cold outside, so I'm gonna wear long sleeve and pants. I already put my leggings on. Let me see if I can master that edit, okay? 1, 2, and ta-da! I'm gonna rock my yellow socks. Time to put my shoes on. All right, I'm gonna put my hair in a braid. Put my hot girl summer kale hat. Match my shirt. It was not on purpose. Now, to get ready to go to lunch. Hello, I'm out here on my walk, but it's so cold. It's so chilly. I'm gonna walk a little bit, try to warm up, and then I'll try to get started on my walk or my run. If I walk, that's okay. It's so cold. I looked at the weather and there was no chance of rain right now, not till later this evening around like 6 o'clock. So we should be good on that. But it is 56 degrees, but it feels so much colder. I'm speed walking right now to see if I can warm up, but that doesn't really seem to be working. So let's go. Damn, I'm roasted. I had to take a walk break. Side note, I look like a little boy. Okay, I'm gonna walk this bit because it's uphill and I'm struggling right now. Okay, we made it uphill. That was tough. Let's go. Update. It's definitely, you can definitely feel when you're going uphill, because now I'm kind of like on a flat surface, but also I guess kind of downhill, and it's so much easier. Also, my knees are definitely feeling it. Like I'm still running. I took a little break, but I feel like I'm running pretty strong from already for a while. Let's keep going. Okay, so I'm gonna try to keep running this way because it seems like it's downhill, and then on my way back that way, I think I'm gonna walk or try to walk because it's more uphill. Okay, so I made it to the other side, and it's definitely uphill, but I have to keep running because there's traffic and you know. All right, I made it to my turning point to get back to the apartment, but I think since I'm good on time, I'm gonna try to make it around since I am running. It'll give me a little motivation to keep running. Okay, so I made it back from my run. Hat hair. I don't know how much I ran because I'm not wearing my watch because I don't have my charger. But it was good. Probably did like 2 miles, maybe 3, but definitely 2. Now I'm gonna change back into my PJs. Let's go. Back into my PJs. And I'm gonna throw this in the washer for when I wash, because last time I wore it, I didn't wash it, so I didn't think it was dirty, but it kind of smelled like pit. Okay, I got a couple of minutes before my lunch is over, so this maker sells a little post-running snack because I only had a buttered donut this morning with my coffee, and then I had like half a banana before my run. So I am a little hungry, so I'm gonna make myself a little snack. Got my little tray right here. the spoon. Light Greek yogurt. Put a couple of tablespoons. I don't even know how many. Just like that. And then I got like little yogurt toppers from Nature Valley. They come individually packed, which is kind of cool. So I'm just gonna top it. Did I get this out? I don't know why I got out the ranch. Looks like that. Taste test. Side note, Adbon's trying to sabotage me or something because I said we're not getting any more chips because I don't have self-control and I devour them. And look at this. You got my favorite hot Cheetos, some Trader Joe's Takis, rancheritos, Cheetos. Look at that. How rude. Of course, we can't forget our water. I put half a lemon with Splenda. We'll sweeten though. We're out here in our hot girl summer evening walk. How are you feeling, Abdon?
My stomach hurts.
Why does it hurt?
I ate hot Cheetos.
Yeah.
But it's still good. It's all good. Pooping roses.
You need a bidet.
Say hi, Lana. Look, see?
Two apartment complex.
Oh, OTD for this Saturday morning. I got these on Goodwill and this on Goodwill
He
too.
wanted to get his story out there, and they're going to ask the same question multiple times in different ways just to see if they're
We
going to
can't forget the rain jacket because it's raining. Let's go. Abdon, what happened right now?
Okay, so we leave our shoes outside right here, which we're not going to do anymore. I just make it a habit to just check my shoes, and I grabbed them, I squeezed them, pat them, a spider, big ass spider comes out, and we're like, oh shit. Well, I'm just like, let me just double check again, and I hit it, a whole ass snail was living in my shoe.
Begins to answer the
Right there.
Right up.
and they're not answering.
Out on our morning walk. It's raining. Look at it. How do people walk their dogs out here with this rain?
Ready?
Evan got his chicken for $3.88.
Look at that.
We're out here. We're gonna go to the Asian market. Let's go. Got some Asian snacks at the Asian store. Banana kicks.
These are all
Cheese curls. Roller coaster. Potato rings.
Come check this out.
Check.
Look, it's just mixed fruit.
Oh wow. Mixed fruit chips. Shrimp crackers. Cute.
Look at the amount of shine. Look at all this.
Oh my god. these Kit Kats. Milk tea. The mocha one. Strawberry. Wow. Ariel, we got out of the Asian market and it's raining. You can't really see it through here, but it's like pouring little droplets. A lot of them though. It's been non-stop all day. What is this place? Is it like a coffee place?
Yeah, but like a bar.
Oh shit.
This is a donut place.
Sold out. Damn, they sold out of the donuts here.
Green, pineapple, egg, peas, carrots, and
I think I'm going to get... Are you gonna get the fried rice? I think I'm gonna get the lemongrass curry. What are you gonna get, Abdon?
the fried rice.
Fried rice, which one?
Let's do. I'm stuck between the regular fried rice or the pineapple fried rice.
Lemongrass tofu, fried rice. Good. It's pouring outside. Look at what we got at TJ Maxx. It's pouring. You guys can't really see it like in the video, but it's like pouring. This is what walking in the rain looks like. We made a Marshall's. It's still raining. We're gonna hit up Marshall's and then we're gonna hit up Sierra, or maybe Sierra and then Marshall's. Alright guys, we're at Sierra's. They have a Hydro Flask gift pack for $40. That's not bad. That's $20 each. Okay. And then this one's $20. It's pretty cheap here. They have Yeti like little cup feathers, insulators. And then we have a little vacuum seal food jar. Yeti cup on clearance. We have camping gear right here.
Is that overpriced?
No, not really. We have a lot of lids at home.
Would they actually?
Yeah, look at a fry pan. I think so. Wow, they have a lot of really cute. What is this? Oh, it's like a mosquito thing you put on your head. This would have been useful to that trail we went to.
Sure.
This is really cute. Yeah.
Emergency tent?
What is that? An emergency tent. Like packing backpacks. Hiking backpacks. Oh wow, look at this chair. Oh nice. How much are they? Are they like the zero chairs?
They come with this baggie.
Wow, it comes with a little baggie. You fold it up. How much is it?
40.
$40.
So?
I like it. 10 out of 10 recommend. Let's go. These are like the floor mats that people use when you do backpack camping because you're gonna sleep on the cold hard ground. This helps you. What is this? Is this a tent? I think this is a tent. This is a tent. It's a 4-person tent. No. Look at it. And then you hang it up in your bathroom. So you got your home on the go. How cool is that? What is this? Look at it. If you have a bigger family, 6 people. 3 seasons, 6 people, even your dog. How cool is that? Does my ass look fat in these? We need raincoats for the girls. Let's see if they have the rain boots from last time. We need to get baggies. Look at how cool. A pop-up like water and food bowl in the slope. Pretty useful. Pretty useful, man. How cool are these? They're kids' hats. Look at this. Wow. Those people speak Spanish. They're Mexicans here. Please look. Be honest. How does it look?
I think it looks great.
$3. Do I look like Pastor Chris? Let me put on my ears. Hold on. Look at the boy.
Oh, you're not gonna take it?
Oh, it squeezes my head. I'm looking for a good bag. I need like a windbreaker for when I'm running. There's an outdoor swim. Mira, no ha dejado de llover todo el día. Llueve, 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 llueve. Video this. It's been raining all day, non-stop. It's 52 degrees. We're out here on our Sunday morning walk and look at the size of that mushroom. It's huge. This is the middle of a neighborhood. We decided to cut through a neighborhood. And now we're walking out here in the road. What a beautiful day. Very blessed. There's like some townhouses down there.
I like how they have a front panel right there.
Really cute. Look
Their
at,
little shed.
look at the trees in the back. We just went to Austin Chase Cafe down the street. I got an oat milk latte with hazelnut because I don't know what flavors they have, so I just go with whatever I know. And it's very strong.
What do you think though?
It's good, but it's really strong. I like Cafe Cocina better, but I still like Starbucks the best.
This one is better than Cafe Cocina.
You think so? Let me try it. Well, Cafe Cocina, you didn't really order a good one. You got a caramel macchiato.
Yours tastes good. Yours tastes really good.
Mine's really strong.
I like yours better.
What do you give it?
Yours is like a 7.5.
And yours?
Mine's like a 7. Yours is way better. I'm gonna get a hazelnut.
We're here at Winko. What are we gonna get?
Oh shit, I don't know.
We're gonna get rice.
Oh,
and
rice.
we're gonna get soy sauce.
Jasmine rice, because we need to make it sticky.
Yeah, because we got balsamic rice and it's not sticky at all.
No.
And we got our bags because they don't give you bags here.
So this is the last video that I'm going to make on this, and this will be the official update. Everything that happened with Ash Trevino and her cancellation.
So we decided to try out the new coffee.
We found some really cool creamers at Target, made by yours truly, our favorite Oatly. So we have vanilla oat milk creamer, and then we have sweet creamy oat milk creamer. And then there's also a caramel, but we don't like caramel. So we're gonna try them out. I promise I change, but I just recycle my clothes and I don't stink. So I rewear it. This is cheers. The sweet and creamy. You should have just poured one here and poured one in the other one.
Oh, this one is good.
It's good, but it's really sweet. Rinse it?
Yeah, it's a little too sweet.
I guess that's why it's creamer, right? My mom said, ¿por qué dejan los cajones abiertos? Qué desesperación.
We're gonna listen to our commenters.
Yeah, we're gonna listen to our viewers, so we're gonna close them. Our viewers, aka my mom.
That's too much.
Well, we're sharing.
Okay.
This is the vanilla.
Better.
That one tastes like the Mexican ice cream that Chava would sell. I like it.
Hi. Thank you so much for watching. And again, tune in for next time for more adventures with Lick Loud Does.